the green stack, make sure it clears the grinder. Got it, routing the reds now. Adjust the flow on the right side.
Make sure it's evenly distributed.
We need to clear this jam before it hits the shredder.
Okay, I'm on it.
We have too much coming through the main line.
Adjust the valve, slow it down slightly before it hits the wash.
We're getting a backup on the blue chairs. Increase the intake.
Copy that.
We're getting a heavy load. Keep an eye on the shredder intake.
Keep the red ones coming.
Watch the flow rate on the screen.
Looks good, steady as she goes. I'm increasing the feed rate slightly here.
All right, keep an eye on the mix consistency.
Check the hopper levels.
Flow rate is steady at 16%.
Keep the pallet clear of the mixer.
Check the pressure on line 4.
It's stable now. We're running smoothly. Keep the conveyor steady.
Looks good from here. The blue stream is clear.
Check the levels on line 3. Looks good from here, almost full. Watch the levels on line 3. We're filling up faster than expected.
Okay, noted. Maintaining current speed.
Flow rate looks good, stabilizing right on target. Yeah, bin 3 is filling smoothly.
Check the temperature on the third gauge.
It's holding steady at 220. Keep the feed rate consistent.
You're getting a steady stream now.
Okay, I'm watching the temperature readings closely.
Check the flow rate on panel 7.
Adjusting the lever now. Looks stable.
Here we see the recycled polymer flowing into the casting mold, the crucial stage of material transformation.
The viscosity looks high on this batch.
Yeah, temperature is steady at 180. The flow is consistent. Note the granule integration here.
Confirm. Temperature holding steady at 240.
The mold temperature is stabilizing right on target.
Yes, cycle complexity looks good too. We can increase throughput.
We need to adjust the feed rate for this density.
Check the spindle speed, it seems a bit high.
Okay, I'll reduce it by 10%.
We need to increase the pressure slightly to ensure the mold fills completely.
All right, adjusting the parameters now.
The mold is filling completely. Pressure looks stable now. We are good.
The cycle time is holding steady at 90 seconds.
And the temperature readings are stable. We can increase throughput.
Keep an eye on the strapping as we go.
We need to secure this row before the next shift arrives.
The coating thickness is stable now.
Good. Let's increase the conveyor speed slightly.
Increase the flow rate on the sprayers.
Copy that. Flow rate adjusted.
Tunnel clear, moving to the next sequence.
Quality check complete on Unit 7. Proceed to the conveyor line. Ensure the clamps are secure.
We need more red bases over here. Coming right up, watch your spacing.
Check the alignment on the next pallet.
Confirmed. The position is good.
The robot ensures efficient stacking, followed by our final quality inspection. We guarantee the quality of this recycled product.
The grippers are misaligned on stack 3.
Acknowledged. Running the calibration sequence now.
The temperature is holding steady. Watch the stack on the right side. The alignment looks correct. Start the wrapping sequence.
Wrapping complete, ready for transfer to the pallet.
Watch the pallet on the left. Clear, bring it forward. Watch the clearance on the right.
Clear. Scan complete.
All right, push it back slowly now.
Watch the clearance on the left.
Got it, keep coming straight.
Easy now, bring it to the third shelf. Watch the pallet on the left.
Take the blue chairs to the loading dock. We're clearing the white ones now.
Roger that. Watch your spacing on aisle 4.
Watch the clearance on your left. That pallet goes to row 9. Copy that. Inventory scan complete.
All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Watch your feet. Pallet 7D, blue chairs confirmed. Okay, let's get this one off first. Bring the jack around.
That's the last pallet for today.
All right, bring it over to staging. Watch the shadows.
We need to prioritize the plastic bales before the shift ends.
The truck is almost ready for the shipment.
All right, let's get moving then.
The recycled material gives it incredible strength, and the finish is absolutely perfect. We're very happy with the result.